Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a product review on Advanced Clinical's Coconut Deep Hydration Hair Mask. So my hair is very dry. It's been about 2 weeks since I have washed it, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like this winter has been terrible on my hair and I'm not doing a great job at keeping it protected. So I am in dire need of a nice deep condition, so I'm hoping that this product will work well. I found this product at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, and I think it was only like $5-6. So I seen it and I'm like, let me go ahead and give this a try. So hopefully it works well. I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna come back and apply this product. It's for a week and colored treated hair. My hair is not colored, but I do feel like it's in a weak state right now because it is dry. And of course it is paraben free, sulfate free, no animal testing, and it is 100% vegan, so it's pretty safe to use on my hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and I'll be back to apply the product. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and clean, and now I'm going to apply the product. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like coconut. It don't have a bad smell at all. I'm going to apply the product in sections. It definitely feels soft as I'm applying it, so I'm hoping that it's going to be soft after I'm done sitting under my steamer. Sometimes I feel like I overuse products, but I'm trying to not overuse this one. Yeah, my hair smells nice. And honestly, you all, I do not discriminate against products. Like, if I see a product on sale and I look up the reviews real quick and I see that it has nice reviews, then I go ahead and buy the product. It doesn't have to be name brand, a brand that I'm used to or anything. I like to try new things because you never know if I'm gonna fall in love with something new. You should apply this to damp hair, like the instructions say. So I'm gonna wet my hair. Even though it's wet, I'm just gonna wet it a little bit more. I like to apply the products to the root of my hair as well. And I like to focus on the ends of my hair whenever I'm doing a deep condition. Just so you guys can see, this is my hair before adding any products. Okay, so I pretty much have it applied to my whole head. Put this part down. I'm gonna redamp my hair just a little bit. And now I'm gonna put all my hair up under my cap. I normally like clip my hair into 4 different sections, but I'm gonna try it out this way, and hopefully all the steam can hit all of my hair. By the way, I hate these caps. Like this little ring part, it'd be so itchy on my ear. I hate these things with a passion. Okay, that just about does it. I am now going to go sit under my steamer for about 30 minutes to an hour. I sat under my steamer for 45 minutes and I had to clip my hair because my hair kept falling down out of this cap. So let's see how my hair is. I must say that my hair feels good. You guys can clearly see it looks very good and well defined just from the Advanced Clinical Coconut Deep Hydration Hair Mask. So I'm thinking that it's gonna be fine once I rinse it out. My hair feels very, very, very soft. Definitely feels very moisturized. I think I'm liking it. Yes, my hair feels very amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and wash all of this hair mask out, and I will return. The product is now washed out of my hair, and now it's time for me to tell you how I feel about the Advanced Clinical Coconut Deep Hydration Hair Mask. First, let me show you my final results. This is how my hair is looking. with no product inside. My hair is still wet, but it is starting to dry. And honestly, I must say that I really like this product. Like, I really give it a thumbs up. When it comes to me comparing it to another product, I can't really compare it, but I can tell you that it left my hair very soft. I feel like my hair is very moisturized. You guys seen how dry my hair was when I first got on this video. And my hair looks nothing like that. I mean, it looks shiny. It looks moisturized. It feels very moisturized. I would definitely take this product over any Cantu deep conditioner because I really didn't care for their products. Like, my hair didn't feel soft when I rinsed everything out, but my hair right now feels very soft. And to also be exact, I got this product from Marshall's and the price was $5.99. So overall, I give this product a big thumbs up. I will definitely be using it again. And I didn't show you guys how much I used, but I really didn't even have to use a lot. I can definitely get maybe 4 or 5 more uses out of this. So I am looking forward to that. And right about now, I'm just on the hunt for a great deep conditioner. Like, I love my TGIN. I love the Shea Moisture, but I haven't tried all of the Shea Moisture deep conditioners, but I plan to give them all a try. So if you guys have a favorite deep conditioner that is reasonably priced, even if it's a little on the high end, let me know so that I can try it out in the comment section and I will review that product for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And I am looking forward to finding the perfect deep conditioner. So stay tuned for more. Thank you all for watching. Bye.